What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be going over a baked chicken parmesan. We're doing baked, not fried. Chicken parmesan actually tastes much better baked versus fried. You taste the breading when you fry it. You taste that oil when you fry it, whether you want to believe it or not. That is the first thing you're going to taste. And then you'll get to a thinly pounded out chicken breast instead of you getting what you truly deserve. And this is why you should have it baked and you should do it yourself at home. Yes, I'm a chef, and yes, I'm cooking this for my clients. The marinara sauce is a mushroom marinara sauce that has fresh basil in it, minced garlic in it too as well. But the star of the dish is not the sauce, it's the chicken parmesan itself. Now, I cooked the chicken thoroughly. It's fully cooked. The sauce is fully cooked. I have the oven at 400 degrees, but the oven is off now. And I'm taking this chicken parmesan with the mozzarella cheese that I have right on top of it and throwing that back in the oven while the oven is off so that cheese can melt and I don't have to worry about the cheese browning. So this is something simple you can do at home yourself. Garnish chiffonade basil from my basil garden, and I have sun-dried tomatoes too as well. Now we're going to the gluten-free pasta that has been tossed in the mushroom marinara sauce that we made. Now, the clients love this dish. They were apprehensive at first trying baked chicken parmesan when they're used to fried. But from this point forward, they'll be eating it baked because they loved it this way. They don't like a lot of sauce on top of the cheese. They want to see that cheese. So this is why I sauced it that way. If you like a lot of sauce, then go ahead. And I topped it again with the sun-dried tomatoes and the fresh basil from my basil garden. Think about growing your own aromatics. It's cheaper at the end of the day to have your own herbs, and they taste much better coming from your own garden, from your own hands, and your own work that you put forth. Trust me, this baked chicken parmesan is phenomenal, and you should try it out yourself the way you like it.